Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is correlation and regression. First let us see the formulas, then problems. So this is the formula for correlation coefficient. This is correlation coefficient. So R of x comma y equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by root of n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square into n sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. Next we will see the regression lines. What are the regression lines? So this is equation of line of regression of x on y. So x on y means x should be in the LHS, y should be in the RHS, and you have to write the coefficient. This is what we call regression coefficient. So this is denoted by Byx equal to r into, if you want to make it more clear, we can write it as r into sigma y by sigma x. Similarly, equation of the regression lines of x on y is, y on x is, y minus y bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y, or we can say as bxy. R into sigma x by sigma y, x minus x bar. So this is what we call regression coefficient. So we are having one more formula. What is that? Byx in terms of x and y. So Byx equal to n into sigma x y minus sigma x sigma y, but we are concentrating y on x, so we will write x in the denominator. So which is n into sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Similarly, bxy equal to n into sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by, we are doing x on y. So n into sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. So based on this formula, we will do one problem. So this is a problem. Find the correlation coefficient. So correlation coefficient means, this is what? First one is, you have to find R of x comma y. First we have to find R of x comma y. This is denoted by correlation coefficient. Next you have to find out the equation of the regression lines for the following values of x on y. So this notation and no need to worry, you can write your own notation and you can start, or you can go with the notation of the problem. So if it is x on y means automatically this r of xy, you can write it as r of xy also we can write. According to the problem we can change the formula also. That means x is replaced by capital X, y is replaced by capital Y. So these are the values given in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is given as 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. So in addition one more question is given, means also find x when y equal to 6 or 5, anything. Also find also find x when y equal to 6. We can find the value for x. So these are the questions given. That means 3 parts we have to find out. First one is correlation coefficient. Second one is regression lines of regression means you have to find out lines of regression means you have to find x on y. First one you have to find x on y and y on x. So both you have to find out. If you want to change the notation according to the formula, x on y or y on x. So like that we can find two subdivision. Third subdivision is you have to find the value for x when y equal to 6. So these are the 3 parts we are going to do now. The first one is correlation coefficient. So that we have to need the value for x y and x square, y square, xy. So line by line we have to calculate the value. So these are the value. So we have to calculate one by one. Now if we calculate the value one by one, we will get the square of the term, square of y term, multiply by both the term. So these are the values for x. That means summation x is this one, summation y equal to 25, summation x square equal to 55, summation y square equal to 151, summation xy equal to 88. So we can find one by one the value. First we can find x bar, which is a formula sigma x by n, which is 15 by 5. 5 is the number, how many number you are getting? So 5, which is 3. Next we can find out y bar, summation y by n, which is 5. Similarly, we can find out this formula, correlation coefficient formula. So this is the correlation coefficient formula. Substitute all the answers here and multiply the term and take a square root, you get this answer. So what is the speciality in this answer is, it should lie between the value, it should be approximate between the values 1. You have to be very well clear that you should not get more than 1. That is very important. Okay. And after finding the correlation coefficient, next one is we are going to find out the regression lines. For that we need byx and bxy. So byx is what the formula. Already we have calculated the value. Substitute all the numbers here and calculate the value as 1.3. Here we can get the number more than that. But correlation coefficient different from regression coefficient. So don't confuse with that. There it is correlation coefficient. Here it is regression coefficient. Similarly, we can find here also the value for this is 0.5. After calculating this value, we can, this is n. This is n. After calculating this, we can go to the next one as lines of regression of y on x, which is y minus y bar equal to r into. So instead of this, you can write byx also. Byx into x minus x bar, 1.3 into x minus 3, multiply the term, bring the minus 5 to this side, you get the value to be 1.1. So this is the equation of line y on x. Similarly, we can find the equation of the line of regressions of x on y as x minus x bar is equal to, you can change here also like bxy. Bxy is this one. So x minus 3 equal to 0.5 into y minus 5, which is x equal to 0.5 into y plus 0.5. So we got the value for x as this one. So one more subdivision is given in the question as find the value of x when y equal to 6. So substitute the value for y equal to 6 here. So we get the answer to be this is y. So x is equal to 0.5 into 6 plus 0.5. We get the answer to be 3.5. So this is the solution where we have solved all the three in one problem. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.